loves me so, and this I know for sure.
You have to win it. That's why I pushed so hard this morning. It nearly broke us. Such a special feeling when you walk into it. It just feels magical. I'm so proud of what we've got at the front of our house now. It's just beautiful.
I hope the judges feel the same way.
This was just a dumping ground a week ago.
Actually a muddy quagmire, I would say, until just days ago.
Wow.
That is incredible.
How beautiful is that house? That is stunning.
I tell you what, there is massive street appeal. Coming in, I mean, just these shapes, all this geometry, the archways, the archway over here, and all these little details, it's just so elegant and calming.
Look, we have all been doing the block a very long time, and I guess we should be used to transformation. But this is something else.
Is that good?
Shona thinks the white is a really good choice in the bricks to reflect the white of the house.
It sort of almost expands the width of the house. It makes it actually feel much larger than what it is. I'm not sure about the stones, just putting it out there. They've got the biggest front yard of everybody. And I did expect to see more lawn and play area. So I think I'm just a little bit surprised how much planting is in here. That little square of grass, for me, is not enough.
Look, when the comments started coming to the judges, straight away I felt deflated. I thought, there we go, it's not going to be good.
I think there's just too much clutter right in front of me right here.
Neil, however, thinks what you have delivered is fantastic.
Look, I think the minute you come through the gate, you engage with this. There's a real sense of serenity here. It feels so peaceful. If you actually start to look around, there's lots of different elements to take in. It should jar. It should jar. But I'm actually feeling that it's all coming together pretty well.
Shona, however, wasn't feeling that.
I'm not feeling the same. Got to say, I just find it's just too much. I find there's too many heroes. I can't breathe in here to take all those heroes in. To me, this needs to be simplified so that we can actually take advantage of how majestic all of that is.
Darren clearly recognised that there was a hell of a lot of work in it. He could also see that there's still a fair bit of painting left to do.
But you can see it. I mean, you
Absolutely.
can see that there's paint missing. You can see, you know, under the eaves, under the eave over here, there's something that was attached there and taken off.
But you know that already.
Yeah.
Neil thinks it is going to mature beautifully.
This has been put in with love and passion. They have actually given a lot of thought to what they've chosen. It wouldn't be everyone's choice.
No.
But I really do sense that passion for creating a garden.
Moving up onto the deck.
I'll tell you what I love.
Yeah.
That arch. I love the shape of that and also how you get that sort of little play school looking glass, like oak tree behind. It's just a really beautiful frame. I love it.
What?
Shana's got lots of reservations, I can tell.
Look, I just find now that I'm looking there that that's not connecting with there, and I find a disconnect.
It is probably going to be for the eclectic, slightly eccentric buyer.
Neil was definitely your biggest fan today.
The minute that gate was opened, I felt a connection. And I totally understand the points you're making, but it doesn't alter the fact of how I feel about it. It's really interesting. Home comes together over a period of time. I think I'm connecting with that at some level because this feels to me like it's been here a very long time.
If only he'd seen it yesterday. That's it.
Well done, guys.
Guys, awesome.
It is deflating when you get negative comments from them, but look, can't change things.